is July 4th, Independence Day in the US. So yeah, right now I'm all like out of breath because I just finished cleaning my brother's bathroom. And you might be like, oh, you're such a nice sister, but I cleaned it because he's paying me $30 and your girl is broke, so you know, he wanted to give me 15 at first. I was like, do I look like a cleaner? I beg, I beg, I beg. So he now said $30. So, and it's kind of worth it. So I cleaned the bathroom and he's giving me $30 basically. So that's what I just finished doing. That's why I'm out of breath and I'm all like sweaty and everything. So it's currently 11:03, I think. Today I'm going out. It's July 4th. It's a public holiday, so I'm going out. I'm going to Park Small. I'm going to finally watch Inside Out 2. I'm excited actually, and I'm already running out of time, so I'm going to go shower now so I can start getting ready to go. Yeah, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe, please like, please comment down below on what videos you would like for me, because sometimes I feel like I'm running out of ideas. I don't really know.
Sometimes you love too hard, sometimes you go too far, and I won't want you if you need me.
So this is the outfit. I don't really know how I feel about this headband, but I think it's cute, but just that this side is a bit puffy, but we can work with it. This is the skirt. Guys, I'm in love with these skirts. Like, if I ever see the black one or maybe a pink one, I'm looking cute. I'm actually looking so cute. I love it. You guys, my favorite color is brown, so these days if I see like any brown outfits that is fine, sham, I always get it, because I really want to have like a lot of brown in my closet. Like, I want to have like this brown aesthetic. That's what I want to do now. Do you get? I'm only just a girl.
Real things do not come easy, no. Never been your average girl. So take time with me, take time. Maybe talk to me with some action. We could find a place for action. Cool down, simmer, cool now, please. Cool down, simmer, cool down, love. Cool down, simmer, cool now, please. Cool down, simmer, cool down, love. Cool down, simmer, cool now, please. Cool now, simmer, cool down, love. Cool down, 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 cool down.
Hi. Okay, give me a fit check, real quick. Where do you get your top from?
I don't know. Shit.
You don't know you got anything wrong?
Yeah, but yeah, it's cute.
Let me tell you this, I won't stop, I'ma be proceeding. Where you living, lately got me feelings. Like say you forgetting who you're dealing. Man, feel like we now me work on style. You know.
Hi. My hair from me, makeup from me.
Yeah.
The jacket is from Diaries. The joggers, I think the jumpsuit, sorry, is from I think Forever 21. And then this is from
Nike.
Yeah.
Okay, so my top is from Ross. My skirt is from Ross. I don't know where my shoes is from my sister's closet. My headband is from Ross, and my jewelry is from Ana Luisa.
The jewels.
So like, I'm a
Show
Ross
the jewels.
girl. Like, I'm just a Ross. Ross needs to make, because everything is from Ross.
They should do you an ambassador, because you eating.
My favorite is Disgust. She's always been
be my favorite.
I love anger and disgust so much. Anger wasn't actually as angry.
Yeah,
This anger was more like a chill mood. Like it was.
It's okay to be angry. It's not when it's perfect before. Like it's giving your makeup is always.
I don't get to.
There's something about this one. I don't know.
Guys, we're kind of color coordinating. Everybody has.
And I'm the tallest.
Everybody has a no, you know. I'm still taller than you.
that?
Everybody has a touch of like khaki, a touch of like cotton brown. They get in their feet. So yeah, I give it a 10 out of 10. What do you give it? 10 out of 10?
A 10 out of 10, yeah.
10 out of 10.
Yeah.
So go watch Inside Out soon. We salute you. So right now I want to go take pictures and then make some content.
This ain't no surprise. Every other night I know the movie came in. Just one that you know, I'm fucking on the ground. Love this way, doing our show. I've been on the road. I put my hands up to Nodding my head like yeah. Moving my head like yeah.
It fix scattered.
Coming soon to me. No parking in LA. So I'ma send an Uber to your place. It's my secret safe. Safe with just you and me. We can't leave a trace. This is my favorite mistake. Oh, look in my eyes. And you do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. Do you mind the lies?
You're scared of dogs, aren't you?
I know, it's just.
Look in my eyes. We both know it's wrong, but you're still coming over. Even when you're gone, the feeling just grows stronger. She'll leave it alone, but you're still getting closer. We both know it's wrong. Can't keep this for long. All that's going on.